Arch that back.
How's that?
Pretty good. Knees, 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 knees. Yes. Keep the back as arched as you can. Looks good. Looks really good. Straight.
Did they do that far enough this time?
Nope. Need to extend more on the top. Good.
Alright.
Yeah, whatever. Keep that back straight. Breathe. Drive with those knees. Extend at the top. I think you need to push your hips more further forward.
Like what?
Hips. Keep
What's
going.
that mean?
At the end, instead of just this. Looks good. Hip back bent. Good. And you're not shrugging at the top, right?
I did that.
I thought so. No shrug. Nice. It's really good. You got one more. Back bent. You can do it. Good. Sucker, and you just get set, man. Remember to drive with those legs. Get back set. Looks good.
I shrugged my fucking shoulders again.
No shrugging. It's just wasted energy. It's more like you're pushing your chest to the wall than any upward.